Yes, hello Auntie. Good afternoon. Yeah, I can hear you. How are you? Oh, is it? Alright, I know my mom, typical of her, she won't let you have a day's rest until you bring her here. Alright, so how close are you? Okay, I'll just wait for you guys downstairs since you're pretty close. Alright? Alright. Yeah, bye.
Just open the gate. Stop! Give me the bag. Why?
Hey! No!
Mama, you look good.
Mama! How come Mama don't say? Nah.
You look healthy.
You look good too. Hey!
Mando.
What about Thelma?
She should. Thank you very much.
Thelma, my daughter.
Thank you.
You're doing a very good work on my son. Good job.
Thank you, Mama.
Good to see you.
Mama, let's go. You start.
Mayo.
Adani?
No.
I have to be on my way.
So soon?
Yes. The kids will soon be back from school. And my husband is alone in the house.
You and this your husband? Always alone in the house and you keeping him company. Why your kwando? Before you have a set of twins. But thanks for bringing me here.
Tell my baby.
Auntie.
I trust you take care of Adan now for me.
I trust Thelma. She's a child from a good home. Well brought up. Disciplined, productive. On your own thing. I don't have any problems with her. That is why I brought her for my son. Unlike that, Ofeke. Oko na wa Lagos. You be say Benin no here. Benin. My son would have been lost in that. So,
I don't know what you
no, it's not meant for you.
Okay, honey. Oh, did you ask her? What did you say was her problem?
Tell me.
Yeah. For real? Mama? Yes. Really? Was that why she did not give us her invitation card? Then she should have gotten us a flight ticket. How you know when we went there, ours was the... Mama, tell me to do it. Honey, hold on. Tell me to do it. Yes, I... So just me, talk. Oh, your boss just left the office. Okay. So we have all the time to gossip. So, just me about your colleague. Yeah. Honestly, I'm being frank here. Stupid. Oh, I'm so sorry to say another man's wife is stupid. Yeah,
Is he going to...
It's not my fault.
Is he having the food cooked?
Do you want to tonight? Hungry?
Are you not going to prepare food? Obviously, I'm hungry.
Okay. I'll get you something. I'll fix something for you. Honey, see, Mama, do you want it now? Talk to me, I'm on the phone.
Yes, I want it now.
Yeah. Okay, honey, I want to go to the kitchen now. I want to prepare something for Mama. Okay?
Are you going with the phone?
Yes, I'm still talking to my husband. Honey, hold on. I'm still talking to him. Yeah, honey, let me talk to you in the kitchen. Yeah, like I was saying, huh? Like gossip, I know.
No, I'm will. It's not kiki. Hi, he's still on the phone. Okay, if you're not just see him. Yeah, Thelma! Hey! Yes, shut her. William. Thelma. This film that they are showing on your TV is too bloody. Killing. How was your day?
It's fine, Mama. No, I went to the boutique today and I got you some items.
You bought some things for me? Hi! Thelma, Mamo. You will with him. For remembering me, God will bless you.
Amen, Mama.
From what I'm seeing here, I really love it.
Thank
you. Check me out in long skirt. Wait. See, Giorgio. Hey, when I will tie this to church in the village. Beautiful scarf. Hey, you got me a purse. This is the color I've been looking for. This is really nice. Hey, tell me, I can't joke my guy. Hey, eh? Looks like you left the best at the bottom of the pot. This is beautiful. Sequence like what I'm wearing. Hey, this is really nice. How much did you buy this?
Mama, it's not expensive. It's just 25,000 naira.
25,000 naira.
No, Mama, it's
Guinea, is that how you people waste money? Hey! I would like to see your husband.
Mama, see, it's not the same thing with the one you're putting on. This one is from India. It's imported.
I don't care if it's from India, China, Kafanchan, America. That is not my problem. You see this thing I'm wearing? Mami Joma sells it for 500 naira. When I say 500 naira, a yard 250, 500. Because I used 2 yards for this. It seemed 25,000. It's the same thing. Shiny sequence.
It's not. Mama, it's okay. If you don't want it, I can return it or I could resell it.
When you want to do it, but don't leave this thing in this house. Mayenya, open the bag for me. Open, Guinea. You don't understand, Guinea. Tell me, open this bag. Come open it, please. Let me put all these things. Return it to whoever you want to return it to. I will not wait. Wasting money in this house. It's the same thing that Mami Joma sells for 500, 250 a yard. It's not 25,000. Okay, if you're not just here. Thelma. Are you frowning your face?
No.
Then smile. Obviously, smile. You're different now. Why? You're better not so I don't get angry with you. Good. Return them. if I am on TV, Keta. Bloody film. Gerard, don't misunderstand me. It's not that I'm not appreciative of what your wife is doing to make my stay here comfortable. Mana, expenses are carry. It's too much. So I need to talk. Okay, no.
Mama, I understand. Okay, well, trust me. Thelma is just trying to be nice to you. She's trying to give you the best. Okay, I understand you're trying to help us cut costs, but...
I know and I understand, but you remember where we're coming from. It's you and I, you remember? We hardly had anything to eat. Overnight, you became a fisherman just to put fish on our table. I
remember.
You will grow from strength to strength.
Amen.
From grace to grace.
Amen.
The sky is not the limit, it's beyond that. You will never look back. Nobody will draw you back. You will keep growing and growing. Onna, something else I wanted to discuss with you. Let me just go ahead and say it. The way you people stay on the phone for so long, it's too much. Do you know that if you calculate the amount of money you spend in buying airtime, you will build a bungalow now?
Not necessarily, Mama.
What I'm saying. Hello, loving there. I know what I'm talking about. And you know these telecommunication people, their aim is to make money. So they don't care about you people. So you better start caring for yourself. Okay,
well, let me enlighten you on that one. You see, the phone, I have a couple of phones, but that particular phone was given to me by the company, and they put a line on it and they recharge it periodically. So the money spent on recharge cards per se is not from my wallet.
Man.
Yeah, so it's part of the package.
Man. I didn't know now. Nobody knows everything.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now that you've explained, you people go ahead and make the calls. I don't know. It's just that I see people going hell on off. Okay.
So that is it.
All right.
Anyway, I hope you've had something to eat.
Well, I've had, but if I have with you,
no
that'd
problem.
be different.
Let me change it to something simpler and then I'll be out.
Okay, I'm waiting for you. Good morning.
Well, good morning. How was your night?
It was okay. And yours?
Very well.
What are you drinking?
Coffee.
Let me go get bread and egg.
No. This is perfect for me. It's usually my morning ritual before I head out to work.
Is you?
Yes, ma'am.
And hunger, you will manage without hunger.
I'll be fine, Mom.
Yeah.
You see you slept well?
Yes, I did.
Alright, ma. I'll see you when I return.
I'll go akwụkwọ na yo. Hi. Coffee. Let me taste it. No. It is bitter. Hey, single says on. This woman is good.
Mama, how could you?
What?
Why did you keep your dirty clothes in my wardrobe? Mama, you have your wardrobe! I don't like it. If you know your clothes are dirty, you put them in the dirty basket. Okay? If you want... Mama.
What I know. And I thought this girl was respectful. She threw this thing. Okay, you go eat. This girl is wearing only pants. Hey! Kaka kunu go ega for where onya gini. I knew you would love this because when you were a kid, you used to enjoy it.
But you have no idea. You have just made my morning. You have no idea whatsoever.
I remember now, my secondary school days, I would have some when I'm heading to school, and then when I come back, I was there asking you tell me, be a working Jimadi Yakayade check.
Oh no, I didn't know. It's always there for you. And that's why you grew up to be a handsome man.
Really nice.
Where is your wife?
We should be in the bedroom. She knows she's not actually right.
I prepared this dish so that all of us would enjoy it. Thelma! Thelma! Come and join us now. We are going back to the old days.
Yeah, you love this. Trust me.
This G and man is for all of us.
This is what you call gym man. Boiled yam. Not boiled it to a point where it's really, really soft. It's not tough. Okay. We sprinkle red oil on it. Mami.
Of course I
native
know.
oil. Then fesazie nuna mare. What I grinded pepper and salt. All garnished in a very local way. Trust me, you will love this one. This is nothing like bread and tea. This is totally African and beautiful.
Everything is inside.
It's okay. I know what you're trying to say, but I don't want yam. I want steak tea.
I want bread and tea. Bread and tea. What happened? Please help me slice this yam. I'll show you. Slice now. If you're not eating, you help those that are eating. Help.
I prepared this dish for everyone. You see, you're not hungry.
I'm perceiving something.
You see, you're perceiving something.
Mama, have boiled yam.
No, wait. You can't perceive.
I'm not even hungry.
Leave what you're perceiving and cut. Cut this yam, Mom. What will happen now?
Hey, nah. I need you to help me wear my bangles. Hey. Nah.
That's all.
Help me with.
Easy with it.
This is your big cat.
Oh, you have 3 bangles.
Yes, now.
I thought one is just...
How would they know that my son is rich?
Okay. Perfect.
Thank you. This is good. Oh. Let me get down now.
No, it's fine.
Okay, let's go. We're already late.
Yeah.
I am.
Mama, seatbelt. Easy now, easy.
What is wrong with her? I thought she was going to open the door for me.
Nothing. She must be tired, I believe. You know the traffic was really horrendous, so she's probably exhausted. It's nothing. And you know we didn't eat before we went to church.
Did I eat?
It's fine.
I expected her to carry that bag for me.
Out of love.
You know, ever since I came into Gerald's house, I've not been happy with what I've been seeing. And you know me, I can never keep my mouth shut. I will just say it the way it is.
So what is the problem?
It's a problem. Problems! Problems! You know, I cannot understand the level of wastage in this house. Every day you see them on the phone. They make endless calls. They throw away food. You know, the one that pains me the most is the fact that every morning Gerald wakes up, his wife Amasal on her bed.
Wow.
Yes, she sleeps on. While this boy gets ready, comes out here and takes a cup of coffee before leaving for work. Can that thing be tolerated in Igbo land? At all. Does Igbo culture allow it?
But Adane, you are the one that introduced her to your son and rain praises on her.
Eh? Children of nowadays, you can't trust them. Just bear with her.
I don't know what sister likes in that girl that made her to introduce her to her only but one son. Only son! Eh?
The one serving today. Great. Yeah, this is fine. You know, I'm really not a swallow person. So, Mama, what that means that this one. And then you got that one more. Game. God bless you. Thank you very much. Thank you. This is soup looks good.
Thank you. I knew this was going to be clumsy.
Very.
Where's Thelma?
I think she should be. No, he's your
Thelma!
In medicine.
Thelma! Come on. It is served.
It looks good. Trust me, it looks wonderful. I've tasted it.
I don't want to smell.
You gotta try, right? You gotta try. Try.
Some water for you.
I'll just go see what the problem is. I'll be back.
I have to leave this house. Imagine Thelma. I never realized she hates me this much. I can't take this anymore. I have to use the back door to escape, so my son wouldn't see me.
What did you do that for? Huh? What's the meaning of that drama?
You mean I should eat?
Just keep quiet! Did you have to embarrass my mother like that?
You mean I should eat anything just to please your mother? Excuse me.
This is becoming too much in this house. Right? Too much drama in this house. We can't even have a moment of peace. We talked about this before. You know Mama. You know she has health issues. What, you want something that will trigger her BP and then something happens and then it's whose fault? I expect you to be wiser as my wife. Don't push me over. Don't push me.
Mama has BP and so what? And so what?
Help me, help me, help me, help me. Please help me, help me. Ah!
Mommy, when is Daddy coming back?
Oh, your daddy? He will soon be back. You know the nature of his job. So, are you okay? So, my dear, my children, please go inside. I can't face this. So this is how our elder sister died. Now that she's supposed to enjoy her son's wealth, they took her away. And I'm sure Thelma is behind her death. You know how I feel? I feel like going to that house now and strangle her to death. I know that witch. She had an evil mission in that house. I don't even know why sister introduced that Thelma to her only son. Eh? And she caused her death. I will personally throw her things out of that house. That gold digger like her. And I will tell her that I'm a river that cannot be insulted. Mirigezo, no? Also Mirigezo. Chigeji.
Mommy, how are you sure that Auntie Thelma killed Auntie?
Will you shut up your mouth?
I'm just telling you my own. Let it not be like I didn't tell you.
Get out of this place now. I said leave here.
There's some good news for you.
What good news?
The pregnancy test shows you're 6 weeks pregnant. You don't seem to be excited. Anything the matter?
Doctor, you will not understand.
Listen, I am your family doctor. Whatever it is, just let me know.
I would like you to keep this between us. Do not let my husband know for now.
Is that what you want?
Hold on. Hey, Auntie Walter.
Who is that? You do evil thing. You think you have succeeded in killing the hand that brought you to this house? You haven't seen anything. I'm gonna deal with you in this house.
And you think you can stay in this house and enjoy this marriage? No, 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 no. You have answers to mother when the time comes.
Are you people trying to say that I have a hand in what killed Mama? Or
Shut up! You pretender. Do you need a prophet to tell you that?
Chukwaya! Ama! Chukwaya! Chukwaya!
We shall see!
Chukwaya! Gerard!
Nonsense!
Gerard!
We'll deal with you! The only sister I have, precious to me. I will deal with you! I will deal with you!
I'm not a very happy man. I am distraught. I don't know what to do with myself at this point. Oh. I don't know how to deal with this situation. But am I really going to die?
Mr. Gerald, you just have to accept your health in good faith. The intense alcohol intake in your system the past months increased. But the good thing about it is you still have some few months to stay alive. God on your side, you might still see your unborn son.
What? My what? My unborn child, what are you talking about? No. Hold on a second. Are you saying that my wife is pregnant and you didn't tell me about it?
Mr. Gerard, please take it easy, okay? You see, if not for anything, for the sake of your health, you don't have to stress yourself at this point.
Do you know? Do you have the slightest idea how long I have waited for such good news? And you are supposed to be my family doctor. Now you find out that my wife is pregnant and you didn't tell me.
Gerard, please calm down. Please, just for the sake of your health, okay? Please.
Do you know what joy it would give? Knowing that I'll be a father. You should have just told me. Really, you should have just at least told me. That might just have given me another lifeline.
Nurse.
Yes, doctor.
I need to get to their annex now.
Okay, sir.
Please keep your eye on Mrs. Izu, okay? Give her adequate drugs, at least to sustain her life, okay?
Okay, I'll do as you said.
Okay, please go back to your duty. Mr. Gerard, I came to check on you, just like I said the other time. Are you still upset with me?
No, I'm not.
So why haven't you been taking my calls?
Calling you, doctor, would it change my situation? Yeah, hello, barrister. How are you? Oh, please, I need to meet up with you. It's urgent. Oh yeah, sure. Where are you at the moment? Are you at your chambers? A hotel? What hotel is that? Huh? Oh yeah, of course, I know where it is. Yes, of course I can meet you there within the next 2 hours, of course. Yeah, sure, I know that hotel. Alright, I'll see you there soon.
I'm here to see Mr. Gerard. Good day. If I may ask, what are you doing in my house? And what should I address you as, Miss or Mrs.?
Oh, Mrs.
Mrs., where is your wedding ring?
Yeah.
Wait. So it has gotten to the point of you coming to see him in his house, in his matrimonial home. You no longer wait for him at the hotel, right? Now leave my house. Mrs., I said leave my house.
Please, with due respect, me hand this over to your husband.
Love letter. I'm not interested.
Barman! Bah! Hey! Where's your manager? I have to go. But I have to. Hey, manager!
Good evening, sir. I hope you're okay.
Are you the manager?
Sure. Yeah.
I have to.
Sir, you know you can't drive under the influence of alcohol. It's dangerous.
Are you the one that brought me here? Huh? Are you the one that brought me here? I said I have to go. You're telling me, who made you my guardian angel to stop? I have to go. Tell me how much drink is I drank 1, 2, 3, 4. 4.
Gerard!
I have to.
Gerard, what's the problem?
Tell him I want to go.
Uncle, what's the problem?
He came to drink. Now he wants to go, but I refuse. You know he can't drive like this. You know him, right?
I have to.
Yes, he's my friend.
I can go.
Help me take him to the car, okay?
Please. Go.
Okay, please.
Don't be touching me. I want to go. Oh. I swear I will punch. I have to go.
You know where his car is, right? Let's
I have to go. I have to. Let me go. Leave me. Let me go. Oh, I have to go. I want to go. If you won't leave me alone, let me go. I have to go.
You say
The larger chunk, yeah.
Oh.
What?
Seriously, stop it. Just freaking. Love your baby.
You do.
So cute.
Thank you, baby.
You're so cute.
But I think you're cuter than I am.
I know, obviously. Oh. What?
Yes, darling. Yeah. I met you in the most uncanny fashion. Christy, I didn't expect to find my heart where I have found it. You took me on a journey that I would say has been fantastic. You made me let my heart go and sail on that journey with you, and at this point I'm looking at my life and I can't imagine my life without you in it. So baby, can we take this to the next level? Will you please spend the rest of your life with me and be my wife? I might not be able to offer you the world, Christy, but I promise to offer you my heart and be the best man that I can. Will you marry me?
Oh my god. Me?
Yes.
Yes! Oh yes! Oh yes, I'll marry you.
Thank you, baby. Hold on a second. Hold on a second. I hope it fits. I do hope it fits. Okay. Perfect. I'm gonna spill this.
Wow! My husband!
Hey.
Baby,
Yes, love.
you're such a wonderful cook.
I'm learning from the best, darling.
I'm so glad you're a man.
You don't know how happy I am to have you, darling. Yeah, I look at you every day, and I'm so thankful that you're my woman. I love you, darling.
I love you too.
And as for cooking, you know,
I'm
learning from the best. I'm learning from you. I'm actually doing tutorials.
Oh no, you're better than me.
But it's looking good though,
Yeah.
right? It's really looking good.
Let me get the plates.
All right. Love.
go. You know your mother's name?
My parents are abroad.
Abroad? Which abroad? So because your parents are abroad, you went here too? Would you?
Mama, the soup is okay.
The soup is okay. No, Maggie. The soup is okay. He said the soup is okay. The soup is okay. Mama! I said the soup is okay.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. Mama!
I'm sorry. I'm sorry now.
You're sorry. I said the soup is okay. You're still standing. What's the matter, boy? Carry this thing away from here. The soup is okay. See how you can go here, boy? Hey! This is what he wants to marry. This girl. He told the okay, come more than half. No, I will go to the village and find him a wife. My friend's wife, my friend's daughter. Let's have that girl. She's an undergraduate. And someone will pay up the final year school fees. Eh? She will not be a liability to me.
I can't take this anymore.
I'm sorry, please. I know how you feel. Alright, just please calm down. Please, just calm down, please. I beg you.
Calm down. For how long will I continue to take insults from your mother? Huh? See, it's true that we love each other, but sometimes love is not enough. You're her only child, and her happiness counts.
I know you're hurting. I know how you feel. Please, understand that I'm a very confused man right now. I don't know what to do. Okay, I love you. I know you know that I love you. All right. I also love my mother. I love her so very much. I don't want to take a decision that would make her happy and then make you sad. Neither do I also want to take a decision that would make you happy and then make her sad. You know how mothers can be. They can be really, really sensitive. Please. Do I know why this is happening? No. Do I understand what's going on right now? I don't. But please give me time to sort this out. I beg you.
How will you understand when you can't stand your ground? It's always the problem when a man can't stand his ground. Most times, families make wrong decisions for their children. I won't kill myself fighting for a man who has no say for himself.
Sweetheart, I have a say. Okay. But I'm trying to be careful. Alright? You know my mom, you know about her health. What you want me to do something that will trigger her blood pressure? That will have another case in our hands. Why don't you just calm down and let's work in God's wisdom in resolving this situation. Please, I beg you. You won't take that. I'll be with you in a bit, Mama.
My son, I know what is good for you. If you got that girl, she is not good for you. That girl is irresponsible. She cannot cook. She wears tattered clothes, in short, all water. Everything about her just doesn't fit you. Gerald, if you go out with this girl or marry her, If you go back.
Mama, please. You don't know this girl, alright? You don't know her. You're not the one dealing with her. Stop judging her. Don't judge her.
What judging her?
Don't judge her.
Shut up. Who do you think you're talking to? I'm telling you something and you're talking about judging. Judging who? What is there to judge? On your bottom what do you judge? Nothing. Let me tell you. See that girl? If she stays on in this house and I go to the village and come back and I find her here, Gerard, I will kill myself for you. I will warn him. What's one? Also, I've said my bit.
Babe. There is something I'd like to talk to you about, but I'm hoping that you don't take it wrongly. It's actually in the interest of peace, if you know what I'm talking about. I'm wondering if... Can you leave first thing tomorrow morning?
What?
Oh, please.
Me leave?
Yes.
Why? How?
Just calm down.
Why?
Alright, just calm down, okay? Do not misconstrue my intentions. Just calm down. Alright, just trust me. I know what I'm doing. I'm just avoiding a situation between yourself and my mother. But you have to trust me, darling. Alright, once this tension blows away, I would come and get you. I would come for you. You gotta believe me. Please.
Where do you want me to go to? Back to Abuja?
Oh no, you don't have to go back to Abuja. I mean, you have this uncle that stays in Lekki, right? I mean, you can patch up with him for a couple of days, given how long this takes. But worst case scenario, you can go back to Abuja for the meantime.
I know it's to come to this. Gerard, you must have told you something. Gerard,
You just calm down, all right?
I know it's to come to this. Gerard, I know it's to come to this. Your mother must have told you something. Gerard, I know it's to come to this. I know, Gerard. I know,
Auntie,
Alan Tema is not pregnant.
And what has that got to do with your mother? Punish her for her misdeeds!
And I wonder why the president has not yet summoned her.
You know what? First thing tomorrow morning, we'll go and visit our president.
I think we have to do that.
She must do something.
Thank you. My wife here has a few things to say. Sweetheart, the floor is open.
This is for those who thinks God neither sleeps nor slumbers. Who says God cannot turn your sorrows to joy? Who says doctor's report says it all about your life? Who says you will not carry your child? Who says you'll be barren for life? Who says when the Lord God have not spoken? No one. I hereby advise you to never give up. Always believe in God. Trust Him because He is the author and finisher of our faith. Thank you.
Let's all go upstairs and celebrate someone.
Thank you.